Good morning, Kikis. Kiki, do you love me? Morning, guys. It is now Saturday. Sabado na tayo. But first, coffee. Coffee muna tayo, guys. Magluluto ako ng corned beef. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng onion. So, naka-ready na to. Actually, magluluto na sana ako kanina. Sabi ko, maligo nga muna ako while hinihintay ko yung rice. Kasi, nagluluto pa yan eh. Ngayon, keep warm na. But first, coffee muna tayo, guys. Ilang beses na natin to nakakalimutan yung ating coffee and it's not good. Initin ko lang to ulit. Ininit ko na to din kanina. And sabi ko mayan yan. Wala akong patatas. Hindi kasi kami nagsastock ng patatas eh. Ubusin ko na lang kaya to lahat ng onion, no? Wait, ready na yung ating coffee. Coffee. Kiki, do you love me? Are you ready? Okay, nalutuin na natin yung ating corned beef. Para hindi naman sobrang lumamig yung coffee natin. Diba? Ang daming onion. Onion at saka corned beef lang talaga yung atong nilulutuin, guys. Kasi wala tayong patatas, bawiin natin sa onion. Nope. Ayan. Onion. Tapos yung corned beef natin today, guys, is Pure Foods corned beef. Ayan. Hindi ko dinamihan yung oil kasi oily yung corned beef. Pero hindi siya gaya yung Delimundo, ha. Yung Delimundo, grabe talaga siya yun. Nag-oil up talaga yung Ito, hindi masyado. Ayan na yung breakfast natin, guys. Corned beef. Coffee, rice, of course. And then, ito pala, binili sa akin ni Dan kahapon. Napadaan kasi siya dun sa Parafield kung saan nagbebenta ng mangosteen. So, binilhan niya ako ng mangosteen at saka isang manggang maasim. Mayroong dalawa sana maasim at saka matamis. Gusto ko sana yung sweet mango, kaya lang hindi niya matandaan kung ano yung na-mention ko. So, binili niya yung sour. At saka isa lang yung binili niya kasi nga hindi siya sure. So, okay lang. Basta meron ako mangosteen. Yes, $5 cheaper siya, guys. So, sa Central Market, $25. Sa Parafield, $20 lang. Still, mahal pa rin. Pero, diba? At least $5 less. Okay, kain tayo, guys. Yummers! Natapos din tayo guys, finally. Natapos ko din yung gawaing bahay. I will do a haul, like a massive grocery haul. Kaya lang, hintayin ko na umalis si Dan kasi pupunta dito yung best friend niya. Ayoko na maabutan niya ako na nag-haul. Kasi sa kitchen ako mag-film eh. Babe? Yeah. What time are you leaving?
An hour and a bit.
Ah, okay. Alis si Dan guys, punta siya. Footy! Siya lang mag-isa kasi ano siya, showdown, Crows versus Port. Tapos home game siya ng Crows, not Port. So, wala akong ticket. Kasi limited, very limited yung ticket. Kay Dan nga, kahit member siya, hindi kasi siya home game namin. So, kailangan niya humingi ng ticket sa iba. Kasi hindi siya madali kunin. So, naka-ready na siya guys. His favorite outfit. Katapos ko lang mag-film guys. Itong mga tao. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a massive grocery haul guys. And I'm watching footy. Ito yung pinanood ni Dan. Nandyan si Dan ngayon. And the score is 19 para sa Crows. And then 13 yung Port. So sana manalo kami guys. Gusto ko manalo kami kasi alam ko na sobrang saya si Dan kapag kami nanalo. Come on, Port. Oh my gosh. Guys, ligpit-ligpit din pag may time. Nood ako ng laro. Ang ganda ng laro so far. First quarter pa eh. Iligpit ko lang itong mga hinul ko kanina. Yes, go. Oh my gosh. Come on, Port. Come on! Come on! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh. Over. Okay, wait. Ay, nag-set ako ng bongga. Ito yung lulutuin ko mamaya, guys. Spicy miso flavor. Ito, from Lucky Me. Excited na ako. Pag half-time, siguro, quarter time, ito yung lulutuin ko. Pero lipitin muna natin itong mga to. Gagawa kami ng video ni Diana. Itatry niya yung mga mga Filipino snacks. Pero for now, ligpit-ligpit muna. Oh my gosh, naka-goal kami, bongga! Ano, nakaka-excite. 3 minutes na lang yung natara. Sa first quarter. Come on, Port. Na-excite ako sa suka, guys. Ito palang mga to, galing kay Castle Glen. Distributor sila, guys, ng mga Filipino food dito sa Australia. So, ililive ko yung link nila below if you guys are interested. Pero, yeah, sobrang daming Filipino food na hindi ko alam meron pa available pala sa Australia, guys. I know! Kailangan ko pala ito ilagay sa baba kasi hindi ko na ito mabuhat. Oh no! Far away! Goal yung girls! Ano ba yan? Napaka-close ng game. Napaka-tight ng game, guys. Tight. Magluluto tayo, guys, nito. Ang sarap nito kasi kasi malamig na weather. This is the Lucky Me Udon Soup Bowl. Spicy miso flavor. Para siyang ramen, guys. Alam niyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa ramen. Sarap nito. Pasahin ko lang kung paano siya i-prepare. Place noodles and condiments in the bowl. Add water up to the inside line. Ganito yung laman niya, guys. Meron tayong noodles. Yan. And then, meron tayong condiments. Lucky Me. Uy, bongga to. Tapos, meron siyang kasamang ganyan. So, lagyan natin siya ng hot water or boiling water hanggang sa line. Meron siyang line dyan sa gilid. Mag-init lang tayo ng tubig. Ay, simula na agad-agad, guys. Wait. Madaliin lang natin to. Okay, so yan yung noodles. Tapos lagay natin lahat ng condiments. Bango! Ay! Meron siyang... Wait, pakita ko sa inyo maya. Ah, sarap. Ang bango! Ang bango na agad. Wala pa nga. Oopsie! Ang bango, guys! Nakaka-excite. Ito na, guys. Lagay na natin yung boiling water. Guys, masarap siya. Masarap siya. Hindi siya like yung sobrang real miso na flavor, ha? Kasi Iba din naman yung like may meat talaga. Pero meron talaga siya ng miso na flavor. Gusto ko siya, tapos spicy din siya guys, and gusto ko yung spicy. And social ha, in fairness. So, yung noodles niya matataba, bet ko siya. You'll get this. Let's try it. Alright. Charlie! Oh no. Ah. 1 point guys, 1 point. Malapit na matapos yung third quarter. Oh my gosh. Hindi naman ako usually nanonood nito, pero showdown kasi cross at saka fourth. Tapos sobrang close pa ng game. Imagine ko lang yung feeling na dala nandun siya. Come on, get it. No way, no! Oh my gosh, come on. Come on. 5 minutes na lang guys, 5 minutes. What the? Far away. No, what? Yes! Come on! 2 points guys, 2 points. Sobrang kinakabahan ako, visit. Talo kami guys. Nakakainis. Anyway, pauwi na si Dan. Wala sa mood yun kasi natalo yung team namin. Pag-uwi, butin lang hindi siya yung nag-drive. Iniwan niya yung car. Yung best friend niya yung nag-drive. So, yeah. Maya-maya, andito na yun guys. Editing! Ito yung pangalawang video na na-edit ko today. Oops. Yan. Save na yung intro natin. So, save natin yung intro. Anyway, nandito na siya guys. Ang malungkot nating hobby. The sad hobby. Who's sad? You. I was watching it, babe, and I was like, oh no. Spewing. 2 points, wasn't it? Did he...
3 points.
3 points.
Yeah.
Nakakainis. Yung paborito niyang player, sobrang lapit. Hindi pa na, yung goal. Your Oli, babe.
I know.
The Oli one. The Oli. It was so close.
He should kick the goal. He was that close.
He should. Like, so close. Even I can kick that.
Yeah. He missed everything.
He missed everything tonight.
He didn't kick it. He didn't get a point.
Chad was good.
Yeah, Chad was good.
Yeah, and Robbie as usual. Guys, punta kami Saigon Cafe. Kasi where is it? Yeah, that one, babe.
I have to go down the next one, don't I?
Yeah, not this one. That's exit. Yep, that's entrance. Alright, you're good. Punta kami Saigon Cafe, guys. Yung Vietnamese restaurant. Is that Vietnamese? Yeah. Vietnamese restaurant. Bili ako ng what do you call that, babe? Vietnamese coffee, and then while we're there, we'll get some food as well because food is lifer. So we'll get some
Maybe
food.
that's the entry there.
Sorry? No, it's not. It was the exit. Oh, babe.
Oops. Sorry, buddy.
Was he entering?
I'm not sure.
Dito tayo, guys. Saigon Cafe. Yes, walang katao-tao. Nice. We can sit here, babe. Our Vietnamese coffee is here, guys. So, yan. Meron siyang condensed milk sa ilalim. Tapos, yung coffee niya, bumababa galing dito. Meron siyang parang filter. Yan. Thank you. And kay Dan. So, ganyan siya, guys. Bumababa yung coffee. Hala, punong-puno ng ice yung sayo, babe. Bakit ganyan? Look at mine. No, just this one. I'll take this one. Still got more. In order ko, guys, pork chop na with rice, tapos meron siyang sauce. Basic bayach. Si Dan wala, nga si Dan. Ito yung food ni Dan, guys. Salt and pepper squid. Bahay na kami, guys. How dare you, babe? How dare you take off your ring, my love? Hello, it's a bit scratched, baby ring.
Because when I do weights, I hold it and the metal stuff just scratches it.
Weights? Boot.
True.
The food there is good, guys. I had pork chop. The pork chop was really good. Dan said his
It's good.
salt and pepper squid was good as well, pero hindi ko nagustuhan yung salt and pepper squid. Maybe I just don't feel like eating that today, but yeah, masarap yung pork chop, tender, tapos crunchy, crispy, crunchy, hindi ko alam. Basta masarap, guys. And I still have my Vietnamese coffee. Parang na, ano na ni ate, parang namukaan kami ni ate kasi lagi kami pumupunta doon. It's either nagte-take away kami ng Vietnamese coffee or nagte-take away kami ng food. First time namin na pumunta doon, na kumain talaga doon. And nung pina-take away ko yung coffee ko, guys, half nito or like less than half nito. And dinagdagan niya. Tapos sabi pa niya, hindi ka na makakatulog niyan. Sabi ko, hindi na nga ako makakatulog. Dinagdagan mo pa. Pero yeah, pasalamat ako sa kanya. Smile na smile siya sa amin. Ang bait nila. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye.